Hi friends, hope you're doing well, and I want to give a warm welcome to the new subscribers. This week I didn't know what to cook. I was completely blocked. So I looked inside the fridge and I had leftover rice and rotisserie chicken, just a little bit of rotisserie chicken. It dawned on me that I could make chicken fried rice. Check out how I make it to see if you make it the same way or if you have any tips for me, and leave them on the comments below. Any Chinese fried rice is made with leftover rice. The idea is not to waste food. So you want to have the oil handy because we'll be adding it a little bit at a time. And I want that oil to be very hot. They cook it on medium high or high heat. I'm beating 2 eggs because this recipe is for 2. Meanwhile, the oil is heating up on the pan. Those are organic eggs, by the way. Once the oil is very hot, I am gonna fry the eggs. That takes about 30 to 40 seconds because the pan is very hot. And you want to break them apart into smaller pieces, and we're going to set those aside. See how fast they cook? Now we'll add a little bit more oil. Now I'm adding the crushed garlic and the ginger, and we'll saute them for about 30 seconds. The ginger is one of the secrets to really good fried rice. It's really delicious, smells really good. Next I am adding onions and the white part of the green onions, and I'm gonna saute them with the garlic and ginger for approximately 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the veggies and cook them between 5 and 7 minutes. It just depends on how crispy you want your veggies to be. Remember, the pan is in medium-high heat or high heat. That smells really good, guys. It's a good idea to add salt at this point to season the veggies. Once they're ready, we remove them and reserve them. Because the chicken is already cooked, I'm only gonna reheat it for a minute or 2 and add it to the container with the veggies. And I'm also gonna reserve it for now. Now I'm gonna stir fry the rice for 3 to 5 minutes. I am using plain basmati rice. That rice has no salt and no oil in it. It's only cooked rice. As you know, Asians use a wok to cook, but it works really well using a frying pan. That's not an issue at all. And we want that rice to be really well stir fried. Now I add the low sodium soy sauce, and I follow that by the oyster sauce. And use one. The idea is to have all the oil cover with those 2 sauces, and that is the second secret ingredient, the oyster sauce. And we have to work fast because the sauces will evaporate, and we want the rice completely covered with the sauces. Traditionally, you are not supposed to see any grain of white rice, so don't hesitate to add more soy sauce to cover all the rice if needed. Now I incorporate the veggies and the chicken, and I'm gonna finish cooking the veggies for another 3 minutes. And guess what? I forgot to add at this point. I forgot to add the fried eggs. I remember when I was tasting the rice and I thought I was missing something. In any case, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up so other people can find it. I remember to add the eggs for the thumbnail picture though, even though I forgot to put it when I was tasting it. Check out the other 2 videos on the channel, and also check out the playlist for cooking ideas. Try making this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. It's a super simple to make it, and it makes a good weeknight meal. Thank you, chaito.